Hey everyone, this is sajidz with you again, and here in this video I'll talking with you about an exceptional matter, how you can see some deleted messages in the WhatsApp. But here this is the exceptional for you, that because in this video I'll show you how you can see the deleted media messages in the WhatsApp. Suppose your friend, your boyfriend, girlfriend or your relative just send you a media message like a picture or a video, audio message, an audio or any type of document. But before you just see those messages, he or she just deleted that message, and now you can't see those messages in the WhatsApp. But you need to see those messages. Before some days ago I make a video in this WhatsApp, this trick, like how you can see some deleted message, and this video on the topic of for only the text messages. But here in this video I'll show you how you can see those all the text and the media messages in the WhatsApp by an app. So here it is. Without further delay, let's get started this video with you guys. Before that, here guys, I request you please subscribe my channel, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. This video I really dedicated for you. Start this video with you. So first of all, to start these tricks, you need to install an app in your mobile phone, and here you need to go to in the Google Play Store, and here I'll give you the link in the description. And here it is. This is the What's Delayed, View Deleted Messages and the Status server, and here it is. By that you can work it on there. So here I recommend you to install it before start this process. So after just installing it, you need to open up this and give some permission on that app. So here I just open up this app, and you also need to open up these things. And here first of all you need to click on this start, and then click on this accept, and now click on this allow, and here you will get some ads, so don't be scared. So after that you need to click on this allow, and now click on the accept again, and click on the go to settings, and from here just enable this words delayed, and click on the allow this just, and you need to give all the permission to those, because it will give you all the information from here, and without it can't give you any information. And from here turn on for all applications, and from here I just select this WhatsApp. If it's off, then you need to on it, and from here I just select this Messenger and the Instagram, because most of this it will retrieve from that. Now click on this next, and from here your all the things is ready to use. And here there have chats, status, images, videos, voice, audio, document, everything's for each and everything's for have a department. Now I will show this example with you. So here it is guys. Here this is my another mobile phone, and from here I just send some messages to my WhatsApp in this account of this WhatsApp, from here to there. So here I just open my WhatsApp account here, and here it is. This is my WhatsApp, and you can see it guys there. So from here I just send my messages to it. So first of all here I just go to in my gallery and send a message to it from here, and after that you can see the difference from here. So here from I just send that message, that is that message, this image message, and from here in the same way you can send here video, audio, any text or document here. So here I just send it that images messages to here, and here it is guys. It just give me that images message here. So here I just get that message here, but now I don't read this message. Now I want to delete this message from here, and I just delete it for everyone, so that the sender and the receiver both can see that. And now here guys you can see that another notification is appear here. That means it just click here to see the deleted messages here. Now I will go to in the WhatsApp that whether I can see that deleted messages or not. And here it is guys. Here it is. This is the unreaded message, and which I don't read it there. So here it is guys. It just deleted here too. Now Here this is the time for words delete to see whether it's okay or not. So here just I open my this words delete here, and here it is guys. In the images section, here you will get that images here, and this is the image which I sent by my that WhatsApp to this WhatsApp. And here it is guys, in that same way you can get this video, audio, any document file and everything from the WhatsApp to WhatsApp. And here it is guys, this is the one and only way for you by which you can see those deleted media messages in your WhatsApp which the others send you, but before you just see it they just deleted it. And here it is, this is very simple for you guys. And guys, I hope you really understand for everything. And what's about my this video for you guys? This is the ending of my this video. Is it really helpful for you guys? If it is so helpful, then I request you please give a like my this video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends so that the other can also know about that process. So I hope you all are waiting for my next video, and I am working on it. So till the end, goodbye, have a nice day.